Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your address on Shein. So this is very helpful if you're moved. You're sending an order to someone else or you just want to make sure your package goes to the correct place. So let's get into the video. So first open the Shein app and log into your account. I'm already logged in here, so we're good to go. Now there are two ways that you can change your address on Shein. You can either change it during checkout or you can change it inside your account settings. So let me show you the first way. So if you're checking out an order, you can change your address here. So for example, I'll pick an item and add it to my cart. So once it's added, I'll go ahead and proceed to checkout. And when you reach the checkout page, the first thing you'll see is your shipping address. So this address is selected by default. So if you want to change it, just tap on the address. You'll then see a list of all your saved addresses. So from here, you can add or tap on the add a shipping address, enter the new address you want your order to ship to, and then tap save. So once it's saved, that address will be used for your order. So that's the first way. Now let me show you the second way, which is through your settings. So go to the Me tab at the bottom of the app, and once you're there, tap on settings. So inside settings, tap on address book at the top. So in here, you'll see all the addresses saved on your account. And also, if you want to change an existing address, just tap on it and edit the details. Or if you want to add a new one, tap on add a shipping address, enter the new information, and hit save. And that's it. Just make sure that your address is correct before placing an order so that your package doesn't get delayed or sent the wrong place. So hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. And for more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.